So I'm out here in my unheated freezing garage, and I'm going to put some shingles on my bird feeder here. I got this bird feeder for Steph for Christmas, went out and got this store-bought bird feeder instead of building her one myself, because I'm lazy. So I'm going to put this on, add some extra protection, because I feel like the elements might really hurt this one. It's kind of a rough lumber, so I'm thinking stain it or something, but at Steph's request, we're going to put shingles on here. So I'm just going to cut some strips of shingles and put it on here, and add some protection. And I think it'll look really nice. So we're going to do that. So I pre-measured it, piece of chalk just so I could see it. You're going to need a straight edge, a knife to cut through it. And in case you didn't know, when you're cutting shingles, you got to flip it upside down. You can't cut through the other side. It's too tough and it'll damage your blade. So flip it upside down on the smooth side. You'll have to do a lot of passes, but you'll get to it, and then you can just basically snap the pieces off fairly easily. So we're going to glue it on. We're not going to nail it on. I got some good old-fashioned wood glue here, but I do have somewhere right here some PL construction adhesive. But it's so cold, this comes out like toothpaste, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that. I'll try. I might have to glue it though. So yeah, we'll turn the heater on. I got a little heater for the gluing process just to help with that drying time. And yeah, let's pretty much get going on that then, I guess. Well, good news. I found nails that are small enough that they won't protrude through the wood, so no chance of hurting the bird there. So I'm going to go ahead and nail this edge down on these little ridge caps that I made, just because they're kind of stiff from the cold and they're a little bit on the small side, so they don't really want to stay down with just the glue. So I got these little finishing nails. I'm just going to pop those in there, and hopefully that holds it down a little bit better than the glue. We'll just consider the glue an added bonus, I guess. Once it dries, it'll add a little bit extra strength. So I'll go ahead and nail those down. Well, that's pretty much it. I just scratched the surface with the oscillating tool there to give the illusion of real shingles, which you can see better from this angle. So all I did was scratch the surface, which gives it more of an actual shingle look from a distance, But don't really recommend doing that because you could kiss your blade goodbye. Shingles are really, really tough on the outside. So yeah, all there is left to do now is fill it with seed and hang it up. I had to relocate the rope just because the shingles, obviously. So other than that, we're ready to rock. I had to untie the knot to get it over the bridge, but I just gotta level it a little bit better. I don't know. Anyways, I think that looks a lot better, and this bird feeder should last years and years, hopefully. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching another video.